everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in the US. Happy Friday, everybody. I'm so excited you could join us. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you have not yet subscribed, you guys, you can do so by hitting that little red subscribe button down below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. That's going to notify you every time I upload a video. I either do a tip, a technique, or a trick on Friday. You guys, I've had the worst week ever. I'm not going to lie. So last week, my phone broke. My son dropped it on the floor and smashed the screen, so I never had a phone. Then my desk broke. I ordered a new desk. Actually, I ordered a new desk, and that was a disaster. And then the third and final thing, you guys. So my husband was putting my desk together. Now you can imagine my craft room is a mess. So please forgive me. I do not have anything planned for today. So instead, I thought I would do a giveaway. And so anyway, the final thing that happened was my husband, while putting my desk together, decided he was going to stick his beer in my light box where I take all my pictures, and I didn't realize he put it in there, and I hit the table, and lo and behold, the entire brand new beer spilt all inside my light box, you guys. So those are my three things that happened last week. That's why I was MIA. My phone, my desk, and my light box, you guys. That is like super sad. Anyway, so I'm slowly starting to get things back together. My craft room is slowly starting to come back together. So please, I'm very antsy that I'm unable to craft because I love to be in my room. So yeah, just forgive me, you guys. It's nothing personal. It's just that I've had a few things going on, but I wanted to jump on here and just let everybody know what's happening. And yeah, so my giveaway, you guys, I will announce the winner on Monday and pretty much name one of the things that happened to me last week. So yeah, you can pick three. There's three options. Pick one. It doesn't matter which one. And just let me know what happened to me last week. And I will have a winner on Monday. Thank you so much for stopping by, you guys. I hope you'll join me back here on Monday and we will see who the winner is. Stay tuned. We'll see you then. Have a wonderful and safe weekend. Take care.